Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming soon to my channel. I'm excited to be doing this nail tutorial because this kit is actually a kit that I won in a giveaway with BabygirlNails and ModelOnes, and I was just so excited that I won anything for starters, but the amount of stuff that comes in this kit is just amazing. You get a full-size lamp, not one of those little mini lamps that you probably never use. I don't end up using the lamp anyways because I already have my LED lamp plugged in. But you get dual forms, you get rhinestones, you get 6 different glitters, you get these tweezers, glow-in-the-dark stickers, you get tape, you get like 8 different kinds of tape, all different colors. You get these bigger gemstones. I got this cute little card from Jamie that she sent me just congratulating me on winning, and she was just so nice and friendly throughout the whole process and getting it to me and everything else. So if you don't know who BabygirlNails is, please go check out our channel. I am going to link it down in the description box below so you guys can check her out. Getting back to this kit, you have your 6 different glitters, and I really like the glitters because there was a black glitter in there, and I was really excited to use the pink and black glitter to do my nail set today. You also get 2 foil jars. One is gold and one is silver. And this is all the tape that I was talking about, like so many different colors, and I swear there's like 8 or 9 in there. You get nail forms. I haven't ever used nail forms yet, but one of these days maybe I will. They just fit my fingers like terribly, so I just don't even try. But you get a nail file, and then you have your polygel brush with your spatula. And then you have 3 different color polygels. They are, one of them is color changing, so it comes out pink and it turns into a purple color. And then you have a clear, and then you also have a white, which do not change colors. They also send you a nail primer. They send you a base coat, and then you also get a top coat. And then they give you this little tiny bottle of solution. Like, honestly, I don't even know why they bothered with that, but it's seriously so small and probably won't even last for like one set. But anyways, I'm going through and I already primed all my nails, and now I'm just adding that base coat. I'm doing the Lazygirl method today. I actually tried using dual forms at first, but the one thing that I noticed with this polygel is that it is so soft. I would definitely recommend putting them in, or the polygel tubes, in a bowl of cold water to kind of stiffen it up a little bit. But when I was using the dual forms, it seriously just kept pooling down to my finger, and I was just getting so frustrated and had spent so much time on it at that point that I just needed to get the set going, and I switched to the Lazygirl method since I had a whole bunch of full cover tips. So that's why I decided to do this. But nevertheless, this method is amazing. It's quick, it's easy, and you can still get such a beautiful set when you do the Femi Beauty method. When doing the Femi Beauty method, if you're encapsulating glitters, you want to place those down first. So use the base coat, line the tip of the nail, put your glitters in, flash cure for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you're going to go in and apply the polygel. When you do flash cure though, you want to avoid the cuticle area, only because if you do flash cure the cuticle area, it will shrink the nail and it'll fit your nails differently. So if you do want to put glitter all the way down towards the bottom of the cuticle, I would suggest maybe sizing up a little bit. So if you do flash cure the cuticle area, it will fit much nicer if you size up. Once you apply it to your nail, you're going to want to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm just going to be repeating that step on the rest of the nails. When using polygel, you do need a slip solution. I am using 91% alcohol. You could use 70%. You could also use the base coat if you wanted to as a slip solution. I only use 2 of the polygels. I use the pink and then the white. The clear, I don't know what was wrong with the clear. It was really sticky. Even when I used the slip solution, like it just kept sticking to my brush. So when I encapsulate the glitters, I just use base coat since the clear was just not working for me at all. After you've applied all of your nails, you're going to cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds just to make sure everything is nice and secure. And then you're going to take some rubbing alcohol, clean up the top and the bottom of the tips just to make sure you get all of that stickiness off. Polygel is extremely sticky. And because you're using full cover tips, you know, they're press-on nails, so you're going to want to clean up the cuticle area just a bit. Not too much filing involved, but just to make it look a little more flush to the nail so you don't have that lip right there. Take a hand file, take it right across the tips of the nails to get rid of that rigid edge at the very top. And then you're going to want to buff all of your nails so you can prepare them for nail polish or whatever nail design you're going to be doing, gemstones, anything like that, and then the top coat. For my set today, I'm going to be using the gold foil and also some rhinestones, but first the gold foil. I don't use gold anything, but I just thought it would look much better with this set than the silver would, but I will definitely be using the silver in a different set. Take that base coat, put it wherever you're going to lay down the foil, and just kind of like mesh it in there. It's really easy to work with. It rips apart super easy. I mean, this was just time consuming just laying it on there, but like and just flattening it out, but for the most part super easy design to do. After I'm happy with the foil placement, I cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds just to make sure everything stays in place and doesn't move on me before adding my rhinestones. For my rhinestone glue, I use Makartt Rhinestone Gel glue. It's my favorite. It's got that thicker consistency, which is nice. Like the gems aren't running all over the place before you cure it. Rhinestone glue is like the only thing that didn't come in this kit. But for the most part, it's $40 on Amazon. I think that's totally worth the price with how much stuff that actually comes in it. I personally don't think I would have a problem spending that amount of money, you know, for a kit like this, but to each their own, you know.
Let it be the first thing. Let it be the first thing. Let it be the first thing. When you come home to me. When you come home to me. Kiss me like you did when we were first in love. When nothing ever mattered but the two of us. Tell me I'm the only one you think about. That I'm the air you breathe and couldn't live without. Let it be the first thing. The first thing. Let it be the first thing. The first thing. Let it be the first thing.
Using my Young Nails cuticle oil to replenish my cuticles. This is the finished look. I mean, I think they turned out so freaking cute. I was so happy with the way these turned out. Like the pink and white, the pink and black glitter, the gold. I mean, nails for a queen. Nails for a freaking queen. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this set? Do you prefer the pink or do you prefer them blue? I like the way they both look. I don't know, but I still think I'm a fan of the pink. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate you, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!